AOD car, and he's slobbering at the mouth for some low sevens. Anyway, let's get to the track and let's get our sweat on. Guys, here it is. He's coming in hot. I gotta move. We got stuff to mark our spot. Here, out of the way. Let me get this out of the way. So the King, Pirate King. Yeah. Oh my God. Hey, did Harry get you 2 of the big ones? Did you tell him you needed them by tonight? Did he tell you that nitrous isn't for amateurs? He's seen the way you drive?
Yeah. I know I'm gonna put my eye out, but I'm gonna try.
Yeah, that's what David said. He said, careful kid, you'll put your eye out messing with nitrous. That's what the Mad Porter said.
Yeah, he ain't even here. So
he's not even here, so he can't say nothing. If you're not here, I was gonna say you're queer. It makes you queer. There you go. That's right. If you ain't the track, you ain't
Hey,
jack.
I want to ask you, were you really thinking about me when I told you I was naked just getting out of the shower? What were you thinking? Actually, honestly, let's just be honest, you and I talking.
It involved a coconut, an island, a wrecked ship. I mean, I don't know. You tell me. What now? What are you thinking? Now that you know what I was thinking, are we simpatico? You're thinking about Castaway, the sequel.
I'm liking what I'm liking it.
You're picking up what I'm putting down. Yeah. I hear you. As long as it ain't the soak. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, look at this. We've seen it before, but now it's functional. It's functional. It's functional. Here we go. Okay, let's get the number right now. What's it gonna run? This is going out to the internet, so make it right. Make it righteous.
I have no idea.
You have no idea. That's not a number. Last time I checked, I can't count to no idea.
Look, best it's ever run is 780.
780. That's in cold weather.
Cold weather.
Best thing ever on motor.
On motor.
So
with a magnificent shot of 80 horsepower.
80 horsepower.
NOS.
Magic of NOS.
The NOS.
NOS. That's with a Z, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just checking. Because you're not really putting the Z in the end of it. It's NOS. So what's it going to run? Come on. This video can't be 84 minutes long. We need numbers. Oh, hey, that feels good.
Hey, yeah.
I like that.
I don't know.
This is how the ballers do it. 750.
I don't know. Did you?
Somebody's getting a little performance anxiety here in front of the camera. There's the man right there. There's the man that's prepping the track. Big Matt. He loves LS's, but we like them anyway. So that, yeah, and he hates Fords, I think, but oh well.
That definitely means.
All right, well, let's cut this off. We've got for a quick reminder, the combo, stock cam, GT40s, long tubes, full exhaust, System X. It's got 80 speed density, 80 throttle body, speed density. It's got flow masters, 3-inch, all 3-inch stuff, right? 3-inch exhaust?
From the header back.
From the header back, yeah, header back, yeah. Well, you don't have to,
5/8 tube, long tube headers.
Yeah, long tube. Silver Fox valve body, AOD, 410s. It's got Team Z stuff. It's got you got strange shocks and struts. You got lower controls. Also, you got Team Z stuff.
No.
What do you got?
I don't know. It's a bar.
Yeah, there we go. Science.
It's magic.
It's magic. He said it's magic, so here we go. So, all right. He said a 740. I think it's going to run a little faster than that, but we shall find out later on. We got to go. 750. You're smoking. What are you smoking? What do pirates smoke? You on the grog. You get on that grog and get crazy. So, all right. Look,
Thanks for coming in.
look, yeah, look at that right there. Brought an extra bottle. Is that the extra bottle?
Yeah, my real good bottle is someone else.
He's going to make 34 passes. He's got 2 bottles on an 80 shot. So, all right. Well, we got to go. We got our own work to do. We're right in the middle of, yeah, doing our stuff. Old school. All right. We're out. Here we go, guys. First pass. pushing, that's destroyed. The whole car just wants to go that way. So it's probably dragging us a little bit, but we'll get that fixed in a week or two, hopefully. Thanks, sir. Damn, 35 at 92.3. Sucks. Dang it. Oh well. Aggravated because he had some charging issues with his battery. What? Oh my God. First time at a track, kid. Are you kidding me? You probably made 1,000 passes. All right. He's going straight on the bottle too. No test hits. Pop a little bit. 166. 59 at 90. Ah. Well, that's on an 80 shot. All right, guys. I'll walk down here to look at the brain for a minute. Michael decided to hot lap it. Pirate probably not super pleased with that pass, but you know, not even. I don't even know if he purged it. He's purging through the motor, so we'll see what's going on. Maybe this will be a little better. Got mile an hour. He's probably gonna be a no time since he was racing a no time truck. Son of a gun. So, well, we'll get the time slip when we get back. When he gets back around, we'll find out what he ran. Laid out by this 240 SX LS swap 6-speed and probably on the bottle potentially. I don't know. It runs, that car runs good. He's a nice guy too, so we don't, all the Ford guys, we don't all hate LSs. All right. Michael beat him 748 at 91. Oh, we're getting there. Getting there. All right. Good job. They getting scared now, ain't they?
48.
Yeah, 91. What's 60 foot?
Not today, did it? Yeah.
57. 157. 748 at 91. Getting there. Did it pop or anything? Okay.
Did it sound like it?
No, I couldn't really hear it. It's so quiet.
It is.
All right, you gonna go lay them out again? All right.
I have a good idea what this guy runs behind me for candy.
Yeah, he was dead late. You killed him on the tree, it looked like.
He'd have called me.
What?
Quarter mile, he'd have called me.
Oh, yeah, he was rolling. He's 97 mile an hour. All right. Pirate getting ready to keel haul somebody. Getting ready to keel haul somebody. Oh, he must be. Yeah, he don't care how much tires cost. He got plenty of money. He's a pirate, man. He does pirate stuff. All over the place. Nitrous. It's the devil. Pt.4. Damn. It's leaving off the limiter. Ah, hellfire. Well, we'll see what we got. Probably another 730 something. But, you know, in all honesty, guys, still having fun. Gripping and ripping. It is a little frustrating when it's not really kind of running what you want, but there's not much we can do with it right now. Thanks, sir. we go. Mad Porter told Michael he'd put his eye out with the kid with that nitrous. Let's see what happens here. We're gonna get rad. Rad. I'm gonna get rad, man. Welded him on the tree. Welded him on the tree. It's gonna be no time, so we're not gonna. Oh, reaction time advantage. Damn. He wouldn't tell me what it ran on the last pass. It sucked. He said it sucked. He wouldn't tell me what it ran. He's gonna have his hands full this time. But don't underestimate the power of the reaction time. Oh, it's not a no-time car, so we'll actually get to see the lights, or get to see the numbers. Oh, that's good. I don't even know what that is. Something happened on the tree. Just freaked out. He may get a no time on that, but he ain't gonna be happy with what it ran anyway. It's like 434s for this thing. Oh, Lord. 734 again. Once again, we're here for the blah, blah, blah. The shop looks like it always does. It is a complete disaster. There's stuff everywhere, just blah, blah. It's a crapshoot. So we're here to wrap up our, I'll try and get through this quick. I know these things take forever and all this kind of stuff. You get tired, you guys get tired of hearing me talk. We took the brain up there. This was our third trip. We were hoping that maybe it would be a little faster with maybe a little bit better DA. The DA wasn't that great. The humidity was crazy. I want to say the high was 2,300 foot, and I think the low was 1,890. but again, the car was mired in the 730s. You know, on a side note, where did I put that? Hold on. Oh, hold on. I'll be right back. Here we go. Got this right here. On a side note, the car's in the 730s, and before we start going whole hog changing anything on it, we've got an issue. Control arm bushings are on the driver's side are freaking toast. These are a set of rack bushings. We have a set of bushings that we think are going to work for our control arms. We got a D&D 2BK member. D&D's out of business. Trying to find part numbers and stuff to replace parts on them is a little bit of a hassle, but we think we've got something to get it fixed. Having said that, the car's got a nasty pull to the driver's side, so that may be scrubbing off some ET. We want to get that fixed first before we start doing any kind of wholesale changes. The car really should probably be in the 720s. On a side note, a bigger thing is Pirate Mike's car. He was trying out his 80 shot. Yeah, you know, he was aggravated, having some battery issues with the car, so he's a little aggravated. So he just went up there and started making passes with it on the bottle, which is always great to use nitrous when you're angry. And he ran a couple of 50s. He ran like a 58, a 59, I think a 64, and his best pass was a 48. Had the best 60 foot also, 157, and ran 91 something mile an hour. Then he tried to make 2 more passes. He bumped the timing up 12 degrees and tried to make 2 more passes. It popped and acted up and everything else. And since he was basically racing no time cars every time, we couldn't get any time slips. The bad thing is that he left the spout connector out. He was in a hurry, and you know, and that's why the car was running crap the last 2 passes. So let's get to the time slips real quick, and then we'll, you know, finish this up real fast. So let me do that. Let's go look at the time slips. Hey, I'll go through these real quick. And they may be a little bit out of order because I ran some no time cars and they don't have the left lane doesn't show the actual time or when the pass was made. So anyway, got a Pt.4, you can see it, 35, 92.3, and then 57, 38, 92.7. Then another 57, 34.1 at 93. Then a 54, 34, 92.5. 34.1, 92.5, 153. And then our last pass of the night was 737, 92. So, I mean, all in all, we made 6 passes. They were all in the 730s. I mean, we like the consistency. We just don't like the 730s. So, anyway, you know, there's really nothing to say about it. We didn't miss any gears, so we're happy with that. Just, you know, it is what it is. So let's get back and finish up our little yakety yak part of the blah, blah, blah. Okay, so there we go. You see the time slips. And again, the night was more about Pirate Mike running his 80 shot. He's fixing to, I talked to him today, which whenever you guys see this, that'll be down the road, and he was gonna up it, he was gonna order some jets or something and like go to a 150 shot or something like that. I told him the 80 shot was a waste of time anyway. But, you know, live and learn. So, anywho, that's what happened on our race night. You know, nobody broke anything. We didn't tear anything up. That's always good. We drove home. That's always good. You know, but these are the dog days of summer, and we just got to struggle through it. So, anyway, I'm not quite sure when I'll take the brain back up there. But of course, you guys will see it. I'll do it on video or whatever. And of course, when Pirate Mike goes up there with the 150 shot, we'll have that too. So anyway, I've got some more stuff to do, more work, things, projects, stuff going on as always. So let me get to work, and I'll see you guys later on. And as always, thanks for watching. See how I did that with magic, movie magic. All right, we're out.